Hello, muchachos. How are you doing? Hope you all are doing good. Today is my second day to make this vlog. If you are new to my channel, you can always go and subscribe. If you like it, you can give a thumbs up. If you don't like, you can give always thumbs down. Okay, today is a quick video about nutrition and what we are supposed to eat in this situation, what is good to eat, which will help our body, which will help our immunity, which will help us to fight the disease, and which will, of course, help our economy as well. As I always vocal about the local food and local grown vegetables to help the economy of your own country. So just few quick tips. Maybe most of you are following nowadays, but still I would like to share some tips with you. As yesterday I was discussing that few morning routines, few rituals. Number one is empty stomach. You have water from the brass pot. Sorry. Second is warm water with half of the lime juice, and then number three would be raw turmeric with whole black pepper, and if you want to add, you can add some jaggery into it. Otherwise, you can take it just good. I'm sorry, just a whole black pepper and raw turmeric. And after that, you are having your breakfast. Before that, you can always go for tea. If you are a tea person, tea or coffee person, you can always go for a tea and coffee. And then next comes any kind of a local fruit, what is available in your daily market. You can always go for that. This is summer season in India, so it's season for mangoes, it's season for papaya, it's season for good watermelon, so it's season for chiku as well. So whatever the local food is available in your local market, please have one of the fruit every day if possible. If you don't get anything, you can always have one banana. I'm sure that there are many lists of the fruits which is available on your market, and at least one fruit you can have throughout the day, at least one in a day. And then the normal very easily digestible food which is good for Indian palate. You don't have to go for any exotic kind of a thing. I will quickly share some recipe with you, not today, later on I'll tell some recipes with you, which is mainly based on local vegetables with different kinds of a dressing, and then you can just roast those. It won't take much of a time as well. So these are the rituals, these are the habits which will boost your immunity, and it will overcome it will help you to overcome the any of the adverse situation perfectly. Okay. And it will of course lift your mood as well. Okay, while I talking about the mood lifting, it's definitely a inner thing what you have to resolve on your own, but still I would like to suggest 2 to 3 drinks which you can prepare in your home, which is easily available. The ingredients are easily available. Number one drink would be just normal lime water. Some people say it's a detox water. I won't say detox water, it's just what we call sharbat in India. It is made up with lime juice, half of a lime juice or one lime juice whatever it's your amount. If you are making for 2 glasses or 3 glasses, you can always add a whole lime, otherwise you can add half of a lime juice. You add some what ways apart from this normal sugar. I prefer not to add sugar, complete sugar. Some people, if you want, you can add stevia into it. Otherwise you can go for palm candy. I prefer palm candy with it, and then keep some black pepper. It's a very normal recipe. I hope most of us know this. It's a very good drink in the time of summer as well. It will cool down your entire body, entire system. And the twist is to add little bit of hing into it. And if the mint leaf is available in your fridge, you can always add some mint leaves, otherwise it's okay. So you are adding black pepper, black salt, you are adding a little bit of hing, you are adding lime, you are adding palm candy, and normal room temperature water. Don't go for anything cold, or don't keep this water in the refrigerator, or don't put ice on it, because it's not good if you really going to take a very chilled drink in this kind of a situation. It's not good for your throat, it's not good for your health, and it might cause you some kind of a flu symptom. So don't go for it. And it's very good for vitamin C as well, because you are taking the whole of a lime with it. Next drink would be chas, what we call buttermilk. If you can't do buttermilk, it's okay, just go for a normal curd. Add if it's a whole glass of a buttermilk you want to make, then one portion would be the curd, the normal curd what is available in your home. Then the sour curd, of course, not the sweet one. Add some black pepper into it, add some black salt into it, and then whisk it very nicely, and add and top the whole thing with a full glass of water. So one portion would be your curd and the rest portion would be water, and then you can drink it. It's a very good drink for summer, for this pandemic situation as well. It's everything related to pandemic situation now, whatever we are discussing. Okay, number 3 drink would be, yesterday what I was discussing, that if you are not taking raw turmeric regularly, maybe you can skip 1 or 2 days. On that day you can take doodh haldi, milk with turmeric. You have to boil the milk with the turmeric, and you have to add a pinch of powdered black pepper. If you're taking raw turmeric, you can always use whole black pepper, but since it's a liquid, you are using it on you are using this with your milk, so it's always preferable to add a pinch of a black pepper with it. And then you can always mix it with a little bit of honey, better option, and then you can have it before you go to sleep in the night. And you should not drink it with your dinner should be early, and after that, just before going to bed, anyway, if you are a little bit of hungry or you have some kind of a sweet craving, you can always go for this. It will boost your immunity definitely, and it is good for your digestion system, it is good for your skin, it is very good for your overall bone health, and it is good for your skin as well. So basically, and it reduces stress, so you will have a very good sleep, and next day morning, of course, you will wake up early. So these are the few tips, some morning rituals, some kind of a drinks, and what I said, that local grown food which is available very easily in your market. So these are simple things which you can always incorporate into your daily life to make a healthy habit, good habit. and a simple habit, because this is all about simple life. Thank you.